Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the horizontal injection molding machine, in which we will going to first see the nomenclatures of the part of the machines, and then I will explain the operations of the machines. So watch video till the end for such molding, plastic product design and the molding manufacturing knowledge. Please install our app and visit the website. So we are going to see this. First one is the injection unit and second one is the clamping unit. So I will show you the all components closely. In first is the injection unit, in that we will see the components. So this one is the hopper. In hopper we will feed the raw material which is in granule form. So in hopper having the fan, exhaust fan and the preheaters. So what will do the preheater? Preheater will do the dehumidifications or remove the whatever moisture content in it or water droplet in it. It will be removed by this hopper. So by that your material will be come into this throat. So here is magnet is fixed to detect the any metal component. It will not damage your barrel. So for that here magnet is given. So that material come up into the barrel. Now this one is the completely hydraulic machines. So at the bottom here having the oil sump. So in oil sump having the complete tank of oil and it will be operated by the hydraulic. So here is the one hydraulic motor is there. So that will operate this complete injection unit. So after material comes to this throttle, it will come into the barrel. So this one is the barrel unit that will be covered by this cover. So over that barrel having the heaters. So what's happened? Heater will heat the material and that material will be melt, and that complete material melted, it will be completely injected into the mold. So this one is the panel. So by this PLC panel we will control the injection and the clamping units. We will set the temperature, we will set the cycle time. So what will be the cycle time? First one will be the taking material, then injection, then mold open, part ejected, again mold close, then again material injected. So it will be completely cycle. So by this barrel, now this one is the two half, this one is the fixed half. So this one is the fixed half, we can say as a fixed pattern. The name of component is the fixed pattern and the hole is given for the nozzle. So end of the barrel having the nozzle. From that we will inject the material into the mold. So our mold is fitted on this platen. So by that we will set the temperature, pressure and injection speed. So this one is the door. So this one is the auto degating component. So your part is continuously molded. So mold is there and this one is the clamping unit. So how is the part will be injected? So now what's happened? Now first is cycle is the taking the material or injecting the material. First is the injection of the material. Second one will be the mold opening. So once material injected, which is the melted material, that will be injected from the machine with the high pressure. So that is the tonnage, whatever tonnage required according to mold specification. Then mold open, part ejected, again mold close and next cycle start. So these things are repeated from the injection to the mold closing. So this side is the clamping unit. So by this we will have to apply the equal force of the injection, because while injecting the material mold should not open. So for that we will apply the equal and more force. So to mold is in closed condition. So once it will open, part get ejected and part will be degated. So this one is the part. Now this one is the two cavity mold. So two part at a one time ejected with the help of this. So this one is the sprue, this one is the main runner, sub runner and this one is the gate point. So likewise this injection, horizontal injection machine will work. Thank you. So this one is the nozzle of the front of the barrel and this one is the barrel covered by the heaters. So material come from this hopper. So these are the heater bands provided for the heating of the raw material. So temperature is set on this PLC panel according to your material grade for PP, PC, ABS, and you are able to see the material. So this one will be the material come from this hopper. So this complete unit we call as a injection unit. So this one is the injection. So 4 cycle is there. First one is injection, second one is holding, then mold open, part ejection, cycle repeat, and again it starts same. For complete video and for plastic product design, download our application, link given in the description box. Thank you.